Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add text to shapes in Draw.io diagrams right inside Atlassian Confluence. If you've ever been frustrated by diagrams that look cluttered or are tough to understand, learning how to attach text properly will make your visuals clearer, your process flows easier to follow, and your whole documentation a lot more professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently label every part of your diagram, whether it's shapes, connectors, or even standalone notes. Let's dive right in. In 2025, Draw.io's integration with Confluence has gotten more intuitive than ever, especially when it comes to working with text. The magic behind this is that text now automatically sticks to whatever object you're working with, meaning you don't have to wrestle with awkward positioning or worry about text floating off as you move things around. To start, imagine you've just inserted a new shape, maybe a process box or a decision diamond, into your diagram. The easiest way to add text is to simply click once on the shape to select it, and straight away just start typing your label. As soon as you type, your text appears right in the middle of that shape. This direct typing method is really handy if you're in the flow and just want to quickly label as you go. For example, if you're mapping out a workflow for onboarding new team members, you could click on each step and type things like send welcome email or create user account without missing a beat. Now, there's also a slightly different approach if you need a little more precision or if you want to edit text you've already added. If you double-click on any shape or even a connector line, you'll activate the text editing mode. This puts the cursor right where you want it, ready for you to adjust text, correct a typo, or add more detail. This double-click method is perfect when you want to clarify something, like if you're labeling a decision point with a question, you can double-click and type, "Is paperwork complete?" instead of a shorter label. But what if you want to add some notes or explanations that aren't tied to a specific shape? Maybe you need to add a little reminder to yourself or a floating callout for your team. In Draw.io, this is very simple. Just double-click anywhere on the empty space of your drawing canvas. This creates a free-floating text box that isn't attached to any object, and you can move it around wherever you like. I like to think of these as digital sticky notes, great for adding extra context or reminders. And don't forget about connectors, the lines that show relationships or flow between shapes. If you want your diagram to be crystal clear, labeling connectors is a must. To do this, simply double-click directly on a connector line. You'll see the text box pop up right on the line, ready for you to add words like yes, no, or next step. What's really neat is, as you move your shapes around, the text label moves with the connector, so your diagram always stays tidy and readable. Remember, if you ever feel unsure or something doesn't work right away, take a moment to click around. It's hard to break anything, and the editor is designed to be forgiving. And that's it. Now you know how quick and intuitive it is to add or edit text throughout your Draw.io diagrams in Confluence. These little details will keep your visuals organized and your processes crystal clear. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and have fun diagramming.